she wants to wear it too. Start the engine, go, go, go. Buckle up to hit the road. Buckle, buckle up, up, buckle up. Don't forget the safety rules, or it can be dangerous when you're in the car, car, when you are in the car. Don't forget the safety rules. Yummy apple, let's take a bite. With a pencil, we will draw a nice color. Here you go. Wow! Danger, what's going on? I need to think how to get you out. My pretty doll, I will help you out.
Whoa!
Fingers working hard.
Yeah!
The princess
Blue!
will
Woo-hoo-hoo!
save you
Red!
fast.
Light blue! Orange! Yellow!
Don't worry,
Fantastic!
we never stop. We always gotta go. Working together is the best.
Wow!
Silly Santa lost his beard. We have to help him out. Santa needs a beard. Santa needs a beard.
Help, 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 that's not my beard.
Santa needs a beard. Santa needs a beard.
Help, 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 that's not my beard. I need my beard, I need my beard.
Aha.
Little
Wow.
friend, help.
Glue! Whoa! Baking soda! Food coloring! Wow! Yeah!
Fantastic!
Woo-hoo-hoo! Whoa!
Blue, blue coloring must be my friend. My friend is blue. Peekaboo. Oh no, what is happening? I'm so sad. My colors are gonna help me out.
Wow!
Colors, colors of the world. Orange, red, and yellow. Colors, colors of the world. Green, pink, blue, or rainbow.
Upset. Sad. Fine. Good. Yes. Oh!
Oh, someone is misbehaving. Oh, somebody made a mess.
What?
Don't worry, she will help. Here she is, oh yes. A police officer is on the way. A police officer will save the day. Who made all this mess around?
Oh,
no,
whoa.
you're acting no good. Baby, don't you worry, we will solve
Cygnus.
it right away. Solve the
Lyra?
puzzle just like
Cassiopeia,
this.
Ursa Major. Hello.
Yeah.
Woohoo!
Bumblebee buzzing with me. Oh no, mommy,
no.
help me please. My leg is so itchy, I want to scratch. My leg
No, no.
is so itchy,
Stop.
I can't stop. To scratch your leg like this. Magic cream is what we need. Cream one kiss and count to 3.
Aha.
1, 2, 3. Thank you, mommy.
Oops.
What is that I see? I'm not sure, it seems so scary. Looks like some very sharp teeth, or maybe it's a monster. I'm hiding under the sheets. I don't want to face my fears.
Woohoo!
It's deep
Yes.
and it's so crazy. I don't know what to do. It's okay, darling, don't you worry. We're all scared sometimes. Sometimes it's your imagination and
Good job. Yeah. Yes.
Oh, what?
Somebody made a mess. Don't worry, she will help. Here she is, so yes. Police officer is on the
Whoa.
way. Police officer will save the day. Who made all this mess? So now, no, you're acting no good.
Whoa.
Oh.
Don't worry, she will
Yeah.
Aha.
Wow. Aha.
Hey, girl.
Let's go. Woohoo! Yeah.
I'm having so much fun.
Fantastic.
Hey, girl.